Would you like to build fantastic native apps directly from your existing FileMaker layouts? With LiveCode for FMNative, you can build a native app for Android, iOS, Linux, Windows, or Mac by importing your layout into LiveCode. Your data stays in FileMaker Server or the cloud, so your existing FileMaker solutions can run alongside your new native apps. Let's take a look at how it works. In this simple example, we have a solution which is running on FileMaker Server. It's a very simple notes application, just a list of notes together with a note headline and a note body. And I'm going to leave this application open and running inside FileMaker Server and head on over to LiveCode. Now in LiveCode we've written an importer to bring data from the layouts from FileMaker into LiveCode. So I'm going to log in here. And what we're doing is we're going to be logging into the same FileMaker server where all of our data resides. So I'm going to put in my credentials here. And you'll see we have an app which is looking very similar indeed to the FileMaker app with our notes list and our notes. And if I make a change here, so I'll just change this to Hello FM User Group and head over to FileMaker Server, we can see on the right hand side of the screen there that that has actually updated pretty much in real time. And if I go inside FileMaker and add a 2 to the end of lorem ipsum there, and have a look back on our native application in LiveCode, you can see that it's updated. Now we can also deploy this as a native app. So for example, here is the app running on Android. I'm just using an Android remote terminal just to show us this app, but it is actually running on a real device. And I can go in here and just change the text in exactly the same way for my Android app. I'm going to call that Hello from Android. And if I come out of that, then we'll see, if you look on the right hand side, that it has indeed updated in FileMaker Server. Millions of LiveCode apps have been delivered for companies such as Sony, Industrial Toys, the Wood Group, and many others. LiveCode creates beautiful, rich, and high-performing apps. Your app is going to be able to take full advantage of the native feature set on each platform, so it will look and feel great. Even better, your app will work well offline. Today's app users expect their apps to continue to provide a great experience in areas of low or no signal. With LCFMNative, the app will work as well as any really well-designed native app does, syncing automatically whenever it gets a connection. If you like the sound of this, then sign up to support our pre-release campaign now. We've scoped this project out and understand what it will take to go from a prototype to finished solution. Completing LCFMNative is a massive engineering task, and we'd love to do it for you. We're collecting a deposit on these costs to part-fund the work and to prove that there is a large enough market to justify the effort involved. We have some great benefits for joining our pre-release program, including being able to work with us to help us shape the technology to meet your needs perfectly, and a generous credit towards the cost of using the finished solution. If you want this project to happen, then please sign up right now. Thank you.